Okay, folks, well, we've got the mower put back together with the new deck, and it's time for a test start. So let's see if she'll start up. Try it again. All right, sounds great. Mission complete, job well done. Saved me buying a brand new mower at least, and it should last another 10 years. And guess what? Yesterday was the first day of spring, and the grass is growing. I can hear it growing as we speak. Sunny day, beautiful out. Supposed to get rain Sunday night, and I will definitely be mowing next week. So anyway, that's a mission completed. I'm happy about it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.